Welcome back to Hot Car Track and happy 2023 everyone. I hope this year will bring you good luck, good fortune and good diecast racing. It's been a while since I've posted a video on my channel, but I'm energised, I'm back with it. I have not stopped 3D printing. It's actually been a fantastic Christmas and a start to this year. I've got a stack of prints going on at the moment and I've got this crazy idea. I don't know. I'm thinking about building a new track. I don't know whether I will or not, but I'm actually thinking about it. So what I'm thinking is racing Monday night hot rods. Many years ago we had hot rods and I love that. It was like stock cars and it was just easy and a lot of fun. So I'm thinking about building a new track which would be dual lane Hot Wheels, and then at the end of the run it'll go into a 2-lane open track. I guess like most other tracks around the world. I've just done a bit of a print here and I'll show you what I'm thinking. Let's have a look. Just before I show you what I'm working on, these printers have been going non-stop. I've got some here and there's some over here. These have been going for about 48 hours straight on all these prints. So someone's ordered a very large 3D track from me using all my components, so I can't wait to see what that looks like if they share me the link later. Apologies for the mess, but I'm just packing some orders and also trying to print this new track design. So what I'm thinking is for this new track, it's actually going to go, let me just back out a bit, it's going to go back into this old space where we had the big 4-lane, and I'm not going to put you through the whole build thing. One day it's just going to appear, but I've got about 4 to 5 meters along here against that wall, so it's just going to come down here, maybe with 3 turns. But what I'm working on at the moment is it's obviously going to have Hot Wheels dual lane. Then I'm just been printing a wide track here, as you can see. It's around about the same width as the NASCAR. Not much difference in it, as you can see. You're probably out by about 5 mil. So this is actually Hot Wheels width. These straight bits, and so what I'm thinking is virtually having my next new track all made out of 3D printed parts, apart from the long sections of Hot Wheels, because it's just easier to use those versus printing, because each one of these 2 sections here take about 9 hours to print. So you can imagine if I've got 5 meters of straight, you must imagine how long it's going to take. But this is probably, it will end up being a wide track here. As you can see, if I run a couple of cars through here, is that going to work? And there should be plenty of room for overtaking as well, as you can see when you compare it to the NASCAR. There's really not much difference in the track. It's about 5 mil difference. But this Hot Wheels straight cars will be able to overtake. So yeah, that's the plan. And also, you know, probably using some of my other components. This is the crisscross, and I've got a bank 90 degrees, and you know, there's just stacks of other parts floating around the studio. So that's what I'm thinking of doing over the next couple of weeks, is building a new track, inserting it into here, and just racing for fun on Monday nights. So that's about it. I'll see how I go. I said I wasn't going to race again, but you know what, I've got the bug. I don't know, I've been watching a few channels out there and it's like, you know what, it still is fun. I might really just relax on the whole voiceover thing. I might just play music and run the cars and maybe a little bit of talking, but you know, for me, back in the old days when I started, it was about sending cars down the end and watching them crash into the wall. And that's kind of where I want to get back to, just really relax, really fun, and see where we go. Will I be doing customs? I don't know. Let's just see how the track turns out and see if there's any interest. Maybe or maybe not, I don't know. We've got a lot of Aussie builders at the moment, so we might, and a lot of Kiwis. So, you know, between New Zealand and Australia, we might actually have enough to get a custom tournament up and running for the first one or the second one. I don't know. Everything's up in the air, but I'm just giving you my thoughts that's out there. I'm still around, I'm printing. My Etsy shop is up and running, and I've got prints going out to Japan, America, Australia, Germany, Italy, France, England, you name it. It's all over the world, all this stuff. It's just amazing how many people are racing. It's just unbelievable. So, and I thank you all for the support with the channel and also purchasing some of these products. It's good vibes for me. All right, until next time, I'll catch you guys later.